Wrap a candle in foil for a surprising candle hack. I'll show you why this trick is worth your attention. Start with a regular white candle, preferably one with a long wick. Then wrap the candle in aluminum foil, leaving the ends exposed. Take a medium-sized jar, ensuring the wick sticks out above the jar. Light the bottom of the candle to melt the wax, then place it in the jar, pressing lightly. Wait for the wax to set properly and check if the candle is securely attached. Next, pour warm water into the jar and sprinkle a few cloves on top. The warm water will help release their aromas more effectively. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a natural, pleasant scent. Your candle is now ready. Light it up and place it where you spend most of your time. You'll keep insects away while creating a relaxing atmosphere. This simple hack not only enhances the ambiance of your space, but also adds a delightful fragrance. A beautiful decoration with a vase and submerged silver baubles. It takes your breath away. And preparing it is an extraordinary adventure with a magical end result. To create the decoration, use various silver baubles, but first, fill them with water. If you don't do this, you won't achieve the expected result. Styrofoam baubles won't work either because they will float on the surface. Pour a few hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Remember that you need to prepare them in advance. They should be in the water for about 8 hours to reach the desired size. Place silver baubles on top of them. Gradually add more beads and arrange additional baubles in different places. You can also use openwork baubles. They will look beautiful in the vase. Gradually pour in the water when the vase is almost full. Your eyes will see the ornaments you placed in it one after another. When you see the whole effect, you can always make some adjustments. You can freely move the decorations in the hydrogel. Finally, place 3 floating candles on the surface of the beads, and you're done. Such a decoration will delight all guests. It looks beautiful. Use golden baubles. Arrange the first bauble on the layer of beads and add another layer of beads. Gradually place additional baubles in different locations. It's good if they come in different sizes. When the vase is full, start pouring water into it slowly. Now the magic begins. Baubles that were not visible just moments ago between the beads will start to appear. Such a vase will be an incredibly beautiful decoration for any festive table. The submerged baubles in the water create an amazing effect that is impossible to look away from. You can make such a beautiful vase with submerged flowers yourself. This decoration looks like something from the top shelf. To create it, you'll need hydrogel beads and artificial poinsettia flowers, also known as Christmas stars. You can also use artificial holly and red pine cones or dried flowers in shades of red. Pour hydrogel beads onto the bottom of the vase. Arrange the first flower in them and add more beads. When there are more beads, place additional ornaments, artificial holly, and dried flowers in them. Continuously add beads, gradually. Submerge another poinsettia flower in them. When the vase is almost full, start pouring water in slowly. The full beauty of your creation will be revealed before your eyes. Place 3 floating candles on top, and you're done. A beautiful decoration is finished, an ornament that will enchant every child, big and small. To achieve the best effect, use various decorations: a plastic house, Christmas trees, and figures. Place the house, Christmas trees, and children figures at the bottom of the container. Gently cover them with hydrogel beads. Once you've covered them, arrange a layer of beads with Santa Claus and reindeer. Add another layer of beads. Finally, take a pitcher of water and slowly start pouring it into the vase. An extraordinary picture will begin to emerge before your eyes. Gradually, all the details will come into view. First, the house. Children and Christmas trees will appear. As you pour the water, suddenly Santa Claus on his sleigh will appear, suspended as if in the air above the house. It's almost hard to believe that the trick with hydrogel beads allows you to create such a beautiful, magical scene. This knowledge covers the basic table manners that few people remember nowadays. It's a shame because it's important to behave appropriately when dining at an event. Let me show you how to communicate clearly with the waitstaff using your cutlery. Crossing your knife vertically and fork horizontally indicates that you have finished eating and are ready for the next course. Arranging your knife and fork in a V shape means you are taking a break and haven't finished yet. This signals the waiter not to take your plate away, even if you leave the table. Placing your knife and fork parallel at the 5 o'clock position indicates that you are done eating and the staff can clear your plate. Inserting your knife into the tines of your fork signals that you didn't like the dish. Placing your knife and fork parallel horizontally signifies that you enjoyed the dish, and the waiter can now take your plate. Use these rules in a restaurant, and it will be much easier to communicate with the staff. Surprise your loved ones with a simple and quick decoration that works perfectly as a gift or a sweet addition to the holiday table. Start by taking a rectangular piece of cellophane and arranging 5 Ferrero Rocher chocolates in a row. Roll the cellophane slowly and evenly to form a neat tube. Make sure the cellophane fits snugly around the chocolates, but isn't too tight to avoid damaging the delicate treats. Cut a few pieces of string and tie them between each chocolate, pressing gently to shape them. Ensure the string holds firmly but doesn't squash the chocolates. Trim any excess string for a clean look. Fold the ends of the cellophane upward and tie them together with string to form a circular shape. Add a small decoration, like a bauble, attaching it to the top of the wreath. Finally, use a decorative ribbon to tie a bow at the top, completing the elegant look. Done. Your festive Ferrero Rocher wreath is not only beautiful but also delicious. This decoration makes a perfect gift or a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table. Create a festive centerpiece using wine glasses without spending any extra money. It's common to have leftover glasses after some break, so this project is a perfect way to reuse them. Start with a decorative or brightly colored plate as your base. You'll need 3 wine glasses for this project. Before placing them, take a thick, decorative paper, trace the glass rim to create 3 circles and cut them out. Set the circles aside for now. Fill each glass with a mix of baubles in your chosen colors and small ornaments you already have. Seal the tops of the glasses with the paper circles using hot glue, locking the decorations inside. Place the glasses upside down on the plate. For a festive touch, tie red ribbons around the stems, making charming bows. Finally, place small candles on the bases of the inverted glasses. Light the candles to create a stunning centerpiece perfect for a holiday dinner or a cozy winter evening. Enjoy the warm, festive glow that brings a magical atmosphere to your home.